How to scan QR code on PC without camera. First thing first, go to the search icon at the bottom of the screen and here you can search Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store and once you get access here, click on the search bar at the top and search for QR code scanner. On this result section, you will get multiple applications here, but you need to select the first one and download this first application. Let's open it and click on Get button. You have to wait until this application has been downloading, so it will take some moment or some time, so you have to wait until that. Once the application gets downloaded and installed, click on Open button. And here it has been said that let QR code scanner access your camera. So let's click on yes for now. We know that we don't want to scan the QR code using camera. So what you need to do here is you can click on open QR image, which is next to create QR code. So click on it. Then after that you have to open the image file. And once you navigate to your image file, then you can easily scan the QR code.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new and press the notification bell for more updates.